Welcome back. We are now at step 2 of setting up our sign-up form. And what you're going to notice is that there is a thank you page that you get to customize. And this thank you page actually appears as soon as your client types in their name and email address. Now we can preview that page so that we can actually see what it looks like. And it is instructive to do because you'll want to determine which of these thank you pages that you actually want. Now you'll see that there is a basic version, and you can click the preview button to actually view it. And so you'll recognize that your logo is there, and then you have some verbiage that says you're almost done, activate your subscription. We can actually change that now to the audio version. And to do that, we'll just go to this drop-down menu. And to look at the audio version, we'll go to look at the drop-down menu. We'll click audio version, and then we'll click preview.
In a moment, you will receive an email message asking you to confirm your email address and activate your subscription. Please check your email inbox now. Open that email and click on the confirm link. Once you do, your subscription will immediately be activated.
So now if you want the audio version, you can actually have that audio playing. And there is another version that we can look at. It is the smart video version, and we can preview that version now.
Please check your inbox now to confirm your subscription.
And the last way that you can actually do it is you can use your own custom page. So if you want to customize your thank you page, you can actually make it so that your customer will then see what you want them to see. Now remember, the most important part to this is that they go and confirm their subscription. This is not going to be the place where you want to do any marketing, with the exception of using your logo for your brand. Now you'll also notice that there is an already subscribed page, and all this does is when the client is actually trying to sign up for your email marketing list, they will be shown a message that says that they are already subscribed. And like the thank you page, you can customize your own page and place it here in this link. Now there are some advanced settings, and we'll take a look at those right now. And we can determine for each individual list how we want the follow-up messages to start. Now these are the messages that are going to appear automatically in your client's email box if you have them set up. So if you don't have any auto-responding outgoing messages set up, you don't have to worry about this. Now if you're going to be putting JavaScript code on your thank you page, your custom thank you page, you can actually have the form pass information so that you can personalize that page. This will allow your client to see their name and or email address on the thank you page when they sign up. And it is a way for you to be more effective in getting them to actually see the value in going to get what you've promised them when they sign up for your email marketing list. Okay, so that is all for step 2. We will now go to step 3. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.